Long before borders were drawn on African soil, before Europeans divided the continent with rulers and ink, people moved like water, ancient, proud, and resilient. They were the Luo, descendants of the Nile, not just a tribe, but a river-blooded nation. One of the great Nilotic peoples, children of the river, storytellers of time, warriors of both spear and word. But who are the Luo, really? To understand them, we must follow the river back to its source. In the green banks of Bahr el Ghazal, South Sudan, the earliest known Luo clans lived peacefully. These were river people, born from a land where reeds whispered prophecy and canoes sliced through the silence like arrows of destiny. They spoke not just with tongues, but with drums, with cattle bells, with names that carried meaning deeper than time. The Luo are descendants of the Nilotic peoples, tall, resilient, pastoral linguistic travelers, who moved with the flow of rivers and the pull of stars. They were not lost wanderers. They were navigators of spirit and survival. They came from the swamps and rivers of Bahr el Ghazal, guided not by maps, but by a deep ancestral memory. In the 15th century, calamity struck, wave after wave. Droughts scorched the land. Strange diseases swept through animals and people alike. The skies turned cruel and the earth no longer answered their hunger. Pressures from the fierce Gala tribes to the east, and bitter conflicts from within, broke what unity remained. And so, the Great Dispersal began. Some drifted north, becoming the mighty Shilluk. Others journeyed east to form the Anuak. Still more wandered through the highlands, slipping past